Okay, America. You got honey buns that don't want to come out of the machine, like right there. Right there. So, we gotta get it. We gotta get it. We got a little Cuban, Hispanic, I don't know what you are, but he's gonna take the video right there, right there.
He's like, no,
that one. So, this is what happens when the machine ate my money. Well, it wasn't even my money. I just want a honey bun. But, you gonna pick up Fabio? Where you at? Where you at?
Fabio.
Come on.
No.
I don't know. You got it? Come up, walk over here.
Yeah.
Trying to get some fruit snacks. See this motherfucker trying to come out? Alright, you gotta live that one.
I don't know you, right?
Wait, five,
Damn.
Alright, come on, we're gonna check. We're gonna check.
Come on, y'all was taking up the whole space.
We're big. We're huge. Go. Keep shaking. Don't stop. Wait. Look at that. It got a little pimple into it. We knocked that loose. Where? Keep shaking, because all that might fall.
Damn hurt. I know, mine's just
I don't care what Shake. Keep going. Keep going.
my hands got tired.
No, keep going.
Look at that.
I don't care. Keep going.
What the? Better help too.
I will.
I mean, but it's like so close.
I know, y'all. Don't give up. Keep going.
So don't go like this.
No, stop. You're going to break. Man. Out.
And it's like lean back.
All right. Keep shaking. Oh, them cheeks coming out.
Hey, we're getting cheeze-its out.
Keep going.
Go like shit. We got shit.
I got the strongest booty ever.
I got the biggest one.
Go.
It's coming out.
Come on. One. All right, we couldn't get the honey bun out, but we were able to get the cheez-its. All right, thank you for watching this video.
We're not done.